In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Open to Work badge on LinkedIn, a handy feature for letting potential employers know you're on the lookout for new job opportunities. Let's get started. It's a fairly simple process that should only take about 5 minutes of your time. First, open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account. You can do this by choosing whether to log in with Google, Apple, or by entering your email address and password. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so make sure your password is strong and not something easy to guess. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your account, you might need to verify your login by entering a code sent to your phone. This step ensures that your account remains safe from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn profile. Now hover over and click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the page. This will bring up a menu. Select View My Profile from the options provided. This is where the main actions take place for adding that Open to Work badge. Next, in your profile view, click on your profile picture again. You should now see various actions you can perform, including the option to select frames. Once you've clicked on frames, look through the options until you find the hashtag Open to Work frame. This is the badge that indicates to recruiters and peers that you are actively seeking new job opportunities. After selecting the hashtag Open to Work frame, you'll need to click Add to Profile to update your profile picture with this new frame. This subtle change signals your availability for roles to your network and recruiters. Don't forget to click Apply to ensure that this change is saved correctly. After updating your profile picture, you'll be prompted to add more details about the types of work you are open to. Here, it's beneficial to be specific about the roles or industries you're interested in, as this detail can help attract the right opportunities. One of the final steps is to adjust the visibility of your badge. You have control over who sees this badge, whether it's just recruiters or your entire network, so choose the setting that suits your preferences best. Finally, once you're satisfied with your settings and any additional information you've added, click Save to finalize these changes. That's it. You've successfully added the Open to Work badge to your LinkedIn profile. Now that your profile accurately reflects your openness to new job opportunities, you're one step ahead in your job search journey. Thank you for following along. Keep your profile updated and continue networking, and you're sure to increase your chances of landing that next job.